Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to use threads from Instagram. So what you're going to have to do is simply open Instagram, and after that you're going to have to simply tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and after that you're going to have to simply tap on threads. And now here you're going to get redirected to the Threads, an Instagram app, and then you're going to have to simply install this app. And after that, we're going to use our Instagram account basically with Threads. So simply open Threads. And as you can see here, you have different options. So you have continue with Instagram and then use without a profile. So simply tap continue with Instagram. And after that, you're going to have to simply wait. And basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, I already have an account. I can start posting threads. I can start sharing them. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.